competition. The first prize for musical chair goes to Vikas Khandave. Is he here? The girls and girls. Suja Vikas Khandave receiving the first prize for musical chair competition. For girls, the first prize goes to Sujata Telure. Sujata Telure. Sujata, come faster this way. Second prize for musical chair goes to Atharva Patil from DLLB Hostel. Atharva Patil. Where is Atharva Patil? The second prize goes to Sania Sheikh. Sania Sheikh. Atharva Patil. Swanand, you can take the prize for Atharva Patil. Come on the stage. Swanand Gaikwad. Swanand is receiving the prize for Atharva Patil. We had Bollywood Day competition in our college. There were certain really very good get-ups, and the very best get-up goes to Vijay Gavhane acting as Akshay Kumar acting Chule and Chule. Students, welcome the winners by clapping your hands. Vijay Gavhane as Akshay Kumar.
फोटो का माझे फोटो इधर का बरोबर.
Vijay Gavhane receiving the prize for best Hollywood Day celebration. Akshay Kumar from Chule and Chule. Second prize goes to Anand Kumar Harsharaj Garbade. Where is Garbade? Harsharaj Garbade. Harsharaj Garbade. I think he is not there. So the Tiger and Saturday competitions organized in the annual ceremony. The first prize goes to for best tide racing competition. Pathan Mohammed Kaif. The best western race competition is won. Pathan Mohammed Kaif. This is the first prize. Second prize goes to Shivam Dongre. Second prize goes to Shivam Dongre. Shivam Dongre is a multi-faceted personality. You will see everyone. He is a good photographer as well as he is a good student of the college. For sari competition, we have Saloni Katkar. Saloni Katkar is here. Saloni Katkar receiving the prize for best sari dressing competition. Saloni Katkar from DLLB second year. Vaishnavi Gaikwad. Vaishnavi Gaikwad received the second prize for best sari dressing competition. Keeping up with our cultural activities, we had organized Antakshari competition, and in Antakshari competition, the winning group was the group headed by Mukta Gore. Mukta Gore. Mukta Gore received the prize for the entire team of Antakshari competition. Mukta Gore. The second prize goes to the team of Kashmira Ire. Kashmir Ire. Kashmira is there. Kashmir and Kashmira, come on. Kashmir and Kashmira Ire receiving the second prize for Antakshari competition. Kashmir and Kashmira together receiving the team prize. Now we have some prizes for the NSS volunteers. We have NSS unit with us, and the best NSS volunteers, they are awarded by us. So the best NSS volunteer award goes to Pathan Mohammed Kaif. Ani Bhojne received the prize for the best NSS volunteer of the year here.